Hello friends, up until now people have been used to creating channels on platforms like YouTube, Telegram and in the past even Instagram came along with the feature called broadcast channel which allowed people to set up channels there. Now I want to share some exciting news with you about WhatsApp. WhatsApp has introduced a new feature that lets people create their very own channel right on the WhatsApp platform. That's right, people can now have their own channel on WhatsApp. What can people do with their WhatsApp channel? Well, you can post updates including photos, videos, and links of your YouTube videos. You can also share links to your other social media profiles on your WhatsApp channel. If you build a substantial audience on your WhatsApp channel, it can even boost the views on your YouTube videos, helping your YouTube channel grow even faster. Without wasting any time, now let's talk about how you can create your channel on WhatsApp. So, to create a WhatsApp channel, you only need your regular WhatsApp. There is no need to install WhatsApp Business. Simply click on Updates. In the Update section, which was previously named Status, you will find your contact statuses at the top. Right below that, you will see Channels. Here, you can discover and follow any available channels on WhatsApp. There is a follow button, click it to start following the channel. Now let's quickly go through how to create your own channel. You will see a plus sign right in front of channels. Click on it and you will be presented with two options, create channel and find channels. In the past, only find channels option was available, but now everyone can create their own channel on WhatsApp. Simply click on create channel. Once you click on create channel, a new window will open. You do not need a blue or green tick, and you certainly do not need a lot of followers to create a channel on WhatsApp. Disregard those rumors, they are not true. Click continue. The next window will open, and here you just need to enter your channel's name, upload a profile picture and write a short description. For example, I am naming my channel DG Learner and adding a brief description here. After that, click here to set your channel's logo and adjust it and click OK. As soon as I click create channel, my channel will be created on WhatsApp. You can follow the same steps to create your own channel on WhatsApp. If you found the video informative and liked it, please like the video, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe to it. That's all for today. Goodbye. See you soon.